Hi folks, Rick Berube here, Vice President of Sales of Berkshire Hathaway, Home Services of Arizona, California, and Nevada. And look, I'm back from the National Sales Event. Okay, the convention last week in San Antonio. It was awesome. I had never seen, the Alamo. I mean, remember the Alamo? I've heard that, but I've never seen it. Beautiful, beautiful spot. What a nice city San Antonio is. And unbelievable event we had. Okay, the opening, everything was great. We had a little big town. We had an unbelievable rodeo. We had the Sunshine Kids, and we also, let's face it, congratulations to all you award winners. We had a lot of award winners for agents nationally. We also finished as a company in the whole Berkshire Hathaway Network, number 3. Okay, and this office right here, St. Rose, was number 2 in the whole network individually, as an individual office, and the Sahara branch was number 6. Okay, so that is completely awesome. Congratulations to everybody. Now let's get into a little content from the event. That's what I want to cover. I have 8 points that I want to cover quickly with you today. First one I heard was, earners are learners. And I love that. Okay, you got to be learning. You have to be a student of this business, a student of life. If you're on a health kick, you got to be a student of that. And you got to be reading. I don't know about you guys, but I have implemented this new thing recently where I listen to audiobooks while working out. It creates another 6 to 8 books a month that I can listen to just from that. Okay, and the list goes on. I mean, and once you start, like I do it on YouTube, once you start doing that, okay, it starts suggesting books in the same, venue, and it's amazing. You can go book after book. Some weeks I listen to 2. I get at least 1 a week from my workout, sometimes 2, depending on the length of the book. Okay, so if you want to earn, you got to learn. Okay, it's that simple. Second one is do whatever it takes mindset. I think I got this one from Brian Buffini. Do whatever it takes mindset. Look, there's no, you have your goals and you're going to get there. You're going to go over, you're going to go under, you're going to go through, but you have to have that mindset. You hit a little resistance, you keep going, you don't back off. Okay, so I thought that was huge. Hard work. This is not a mystery. Look, you're an independent contractor. This old 9 to 5 thing, it's probably more like an 8 to 6 or a 7:30 to 6 type thing. And I still believe you can take at least 1 weekend day, if not both of them off if you want to. But it takes hard work. Okay, next point. I heard a lot of people talking about gratitude, which I love. Attitude of gratitude. You live in the best country in the world. Even on your worst day, people would trade places with you. 95% of the planet would trade places with you in a heartbeat, okay? So you got to have gratitude. Be thankful for everything going on in your life right now. Even the tough stuff, because that's where character comes from, when you go through the tough stuff and you make it through, okay? Next one I wrote down here is be good to yourself. If you're going to be great in real estate, in anything, in life, in relationships, in family, father, mother, you have to be good to yourself, which means you got to have some plan for, I work out, I take care of myself spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically. You got to have a plan. I'm not going to, you guys hear me talk about that one a lot. You got to have a plan for it. It's got to be in your schedule. Everything needs to be in your schedule. Next one I wrote down was discipline. Discipline, I think it goes back to hard work, is you have to, even on the days you don't feel like it, especially on the days you don't feel like it, you got to be following your schedule. That's what discipline means. It means doing it, especially on the days I don't feel like it. That's what makes you a rock star in this business and in life. Okay, number 7, I wrote down, forget your past. Nobody cares but you. Okay, and I'm talking good or bad. If it's bad, there's a lesson, learn from it. If it's good, there's a lesson, learn from it. And it doesn't matter because you're not looking behind yourself. You should be looking forward because that's where you're heading, hopefully. All right, so forget your past. Everybody has one. Okay, some of them are more colorful than others, but that's okay. All right, it's good. All right, and then my last point is why not? Like at the event, I'm sitting there listening to top producers. I'm thinking, if they can do it, so can you, so can you, so can I. All of us. All right, there's no difference. If you do the same, Tony Robbins calls it modeling. I love it. If you do the same things that successful people do with the right attitude, approach, expectation, you will get the same result. So look, it's only March. Let's make it your best year ever. I look forward to seeing you all shortly in all 3 markets. Thanks for listening.